Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Matt and I'm here today because I decided to make a little series of travel videos for my upcoming trip to Italy. My wife and I are planning to visit Rome, Florence, Cinque Terre, and Positano. Super excited about going. I can't tell you. I haven't been to Europe since I was a very young man. When I was 19, I did a semester abroad in Rome and then backpacked across Europe with a Eurail pass and haven't been able to go back since. So I've always wanted to go back. I fell in love with Rome all those years ago and just so excited to go back. So um, this will be my wife's first trip to Europe. So I know she's very excited as well. So as I was preparing to get ready for the trip, I started watching YouTube videos. I hadn't really been a big YouTube person up until recently, and quite frankly, I got addicted to watching videos. So I watched tons of walking tours throughout Europe and particularly Italy, how to pack your bag and what to do, what not to do, all kinds of videos. So I really went overboard, and there's a lot of great content out there, and I had a good time watching them, and it made me decide to want to make my own video. So what I noticed is a lot of travel vloggers, they'll blow into an area and rush through the main sites and talk about the top 10 things to do and stuff like that. So on our trip to Italy, most everybody knows to visit Piazza Navona and the Pantheon and the Colosseum and of course the Vatican. So while we'll be going to all those places, I'm going to try and focus on some more off the beaten path aspects of our trip to give a little bit more meaningful content as I go along. Of course, we'll be visiting most of all those places. Like I said, it's going to be my wife's first trip to Europe. So we will be going on some guided tours through the Roman Guy and Viator. We will be doing a Sistine Chapel, St. Peter's tour. We'll be doing a tour of the Roman Forum and a few other tours while we're there. But we are going to be staying in the Trastevere neighborhood while we're there, and I'm really excited about that. I have great memories of that area when I was a young man. It's kind of made me feel like what it really feels like to be in Rome, with the narrow streets and the cobblestones and the graffiti all over the walls. So we're excited to stay in that neighborhood, and I hope to do some food blogging as well as hit some of the off the beaten path museums in that neighborhood. So I hope you tune into some of my future videos as we move along. I'm also going to start out with a little packing video. So one of the things that I was watching was how to pack your bag, and it seems like all those videos, everybody wants to pack into a carry-on. And as a young man also, I worked for the airlines. So I'm not a big pack it all into a carry-on. We are going to be checking our bags. We're not going to take a whole lot of stuff, but in my opinion, you're going to have to go through customs and wait to get off the plane, and an extra 15 minutes to get your bag and take a few extra items isn't going to be killing me. We are going to be taking the trains on our trip, so we've bought a pass, a Trenitalia pass, so that we can use it while we're there. So there may be some issues with a little bit larger than a carry-on bag going that way, but we'll check back. That's why I'm making this video now. I'm going to go through and show what I'm packing, and then at the end I plan to follow up and see what I didn't use and how I can improve on what I packed to begin with. Also, like I said, while I'm there, I'm going to try and focus on a little bit additional content. So I may gloss over the Colosseum, but then check for some restaurants off the beaten path in the neighborhood where you could get a good meal that's not touristy, or check some of the smaller churches in the area. So hopefully that'll work out. And I really appreciate you guys tuning in today. And if you like my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. And have a great day. Bye.